Today we're going to cook ranch chicken over vegetables. It's a one-pan meal. The recipe and ingredients can be found at tipsyfoods.com. We're going to be using our ranch dressing seasoning. There's also a recipe on there for how to make ranch dressing and a wonderful dip with this, but it's phenomenal on chicken. So the first thing we're going to do is we got 2 chicken breasts. We're going to take and coat them real good with the ranch dressing seasoning. Rub it in real good, both sides. Okay. Then we want to take those and put them on the grill. The grill's set at 300 degrees. We want to put them on here just to let them sear a little bit while we're doing everything else. Okay. Now, like I said, it's a one-pan meal. And that pan is a frying pan. We'll take the pan, we're going to put about 1/8 of a cup of olive oil in the bottom of it. We've got about 1.5 cups of butternut squash cut up. We put that in it. We've got about 3/4 pound of sugar snap peas. Add that to it. And we've got about 1/2 pound of pearl onions. Okay. Now, we stir all that in real good, and we check on our chicken. One side seared, it won't take but just a minute, and the other one will be ready. Our chicken breasts and we just lay them directly on top of the veggies. Take that uncovered, put it on the grill at 300 degrees. We're going to let it cook for 30 to 45 minutes until the chicken is well done. Okay, our ranch chicken and vegetables have been in for about 45 minutes. Let's take them out and see how they look. We want to make sure they're done. So we take our meat thermometer, put it in the thickest part of the meat. We want it to get up to about 160 degrees. Chicken, you want to make sure it's well done. The veggies look good. There she is. It's made it. All right. So now, let's serve it. Take a nice breast. Some of these good fall vegetables. One pan meal.